Alright, hello everyone, you're welcome today to my channel. My name is Rachel Erekosima. I'm from Delta State in Nigeria and I'm a Port Harcourt based YouTuber. I want to introduce to you my channel, Rae Rexx channel. I'm the face behind it. So all I need you to do, okay, on this channel, what I bring to you is sewing tutorials, DIYs, fashion tips, fashion tricks, all that has to do with fashion and the rest of it. In fact, some vlogging too. Very sure you want to know something little, I try to bring it to you, hot. So all I need to do after watching this video, guys, just click on the like, share, and subscribe button. Please do subscribe so you get notifications when I put up new videos every week. Okay, I assure you to bring it to you hot. So what you need to do is subscribe so that you will see this. I played too much. Okay, that's what you need to do. Please tell a friend about Rae Rexx, please. I assure you, and you're definitely going to thank me